I need to see where the fuck I'm going. It's so windy. I'm so looking forward to the real summer when it gets here. Fall. It's gonna be awesome. Fucking temperature gets here, fucking 30-35 degrees. Beautiful around here. Fuck, I love this road, man. Holy shit. I need to buy a new hoodie with some, you know, with clamps on. Oh, nice of him to wave at me. He probably liked the bike, nothing more. Man, so nice. These tank grips from Swiftech, holy shit. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's just paper. Someone lost their trash. Yeah, Swiftech tank grips, guys. For the win. They are beautiful and works like a boss. Get so confident on this bike. It's almost like cheating. I feel like I'm fucking cheating, man. Everything is so easy on this bike. It's fucking ridiculous. Newbies can ride this bike, seriously. If it wasn't for the power, a newbie could ride this bike easily. Easily. Oh fuck, man, I love this bike. It is fucking dream machine for sure. I don't care what you say. Yamaha are one owners, fucking Ducati, Panigale owners, Aprilia, RSV4 owners, fucking Kawasaki, ZX-10R, I don't fucking care, man. They are nice bike, yeah, I probably, but man, have I chosen correct with this bike. This suits me like a glove. Fits me like a glove. I feel like this bike was meant for me, man. Tight corner coming up here. Hard braking. Or not that hard, but... you know what? I'm actually looking forward to getting a slip-on to this bike. I'm actually considering going full system from the get-go. I'm not sure yet though, because it is a pretty hefty investment. Full system in Sweden costs around, you know, all the way from 15,000 Swedish krona all the way up to 25-30, depending on what system you buy and what brand, etc. And that is actually a lot of money. We are talking about all the way from $2,000 up to a $5,000 mark. That is it is a hefty investment, and you know, a slip-on, you can get that. You can get a little bit grunt out of the stock system with a slip-on. It doesn't do much actually, and that's why I've been waiting, because I love the stock exhaust on this bike so much. It is really well done. But I got a couple of brands in mind. Arrow does sound pretty nice on this bike, although I don't like the design of it with the yellow brand, and you know, so I'm not sure about that one. Austin Racing, yeah, hell yeah, they look awesome. The GP1 version of it looks absolutely stunning on this bike. Either the shorty version, or the full one. And last but not least, Yoshimura. I'm considering actually buying that one. I was so close to order the Austin Racing variant, but you know what? Yoshimura actually sounds amazing on this bike, and they look stunning, man. I'm not sure what it is about Asian and Japanese design and art and craft work, but they always do things right, almost. Not, they are the country of fucking fake and copyright and fake stuff, you know, copycats. But when the companies that do shit right, they do it extremely right. So I'm really considering those. They sound amazing on the S1000RR, and fellow rowdies here. And they look amazing as well. They wave both of them. Nice guys. 2 gears and up to 160 kilometers an hour on, you know, 2-3 seconds. That is fucking stunning bike. Yeah, so Yoshimura, I'm actually considering that one. They've just released the R1 slip-on and full system, and I had to take a look at their website, and saw that they had the S1000RR system. I was absolutely amazed by how it looks on this bike. So it is gonna be either Austin Racing or Yoshimura, I think. Those two. One of those two. So yeah, I'm gonna cut here, guys, and see you in town. I need to get some lunch. I'm so fucking hungry. Fucking starving.